Okay, so day 8. Basically, we didn't really do much this day, but
Okay.
we prepared some needles. So we would draw blood from some chickens the next day. We ate some food, and here are some behind the scenes of our 6-7 video if you want to watch. Well, this was an interesting find. We found a chicken with COVID or twisted neck. Basically, this is a symptom of the disease of Newcastle disease, which also affects their respiratory digestive tracts. Basically, they would also have other symptoms like green poo. So you can see actually in the video, you can see the chicken actually leaves a trail of green poo because it has problems with its gallbladder. So we watched Detective Conan, The Raven Chaser, and then we just played around. Honestly, I was feeling quite restless, so I actually asked other people, like, did they have a bike or did they have a place to exercise? But nah, not really. Anyways, that's all for day 8. Thank you.